Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Chloe & Mason attire.com. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So basically, this company or this shop sells fashion wear for women and men. So right here, we have for older people. Right here, we also have shorts, and right now they are up to 80% off for the closing sale. So as you can see, they have huge discounts. You can save $40, which is half of the original price. And if you scroll down here, they also have things for men. And basically, if you're wondering if this site is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that the reviews are 3.0 out of 5 stars. So in the beginning, at the start, they have 5-star reviews right here. However, if you scroll down a bit, there are a lot of 1-star reviews right here. 50% over, to be exact. Sleazy product, don't buy. Total scam. Been emailing this company, remember, until now there was no response from them. This company is a scam. Huge scam. Terrible clothes from China. So basically, these people received their orders, and basically what they got was a cheap knockoff version, which costs no more than $5. Don't waste your money again. What a joke. Buyer beware. So please do not buy from this product, since there are a lot of negative reviews saying that what they received are terrible products. So as you can see right here, even here on the 5-star reviews, they only commented on how the checkout was smooth and how fast scrolling or browsing the items was. So they haven't claimed that the product is also good quality. However, the 1-star reviews have claimed that the products are very bad, or they didn't receive any products entirely. So yeah, that's basically it. So if this shop is a scam, please do not buy from them. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.